Hello everybody, this is part 2 of the filter build. So what we're doing now is we filled this with some lava rock, and as you can see the pump and the basket are down in the bottom. We have this all hooked up through the uniseal. We have our soft 90 here. We have our shutoff valve. We have our uniseal. Then we have our standpipe in there. So we're ready to go. We have this line coming back into the tank, and now we're going to put the batting around in the inside of here, and we're going to make it as puffed up as we can so it can filter through as much as possible. So you may need to just play around with it a little bit to get it where you want it. So that it's going to do the most filtration. So now we got that in place, and we can put the lid on after we fill it up, and then we're going to fill up the 275 gallon tote to the correct level. Then we'll be able to turn on the shutoff valve, and then we'll turn on the pump and let her go. So we will be back with you to show you how it all works after this. All right everybody, we're back again, and the system is working wonderfully. So if you come over here, I want to show you the beautiful situation that's happening here. So we have our pipe here, and we can see those big solid pieces coming out and floating towards the top. They're also getting kind of separated and pushed out towards the outside. And I adjusted the flow by putting how much water I wanted from the standpipe, and then these solids are going to go ahead and soak into my filtration medium before it goes down to the bottom, and then that cleaner water will get pumped right back into the tank, and it will clear up the water within a couple of days, hopefully. We may have to add a little bit more filtration media to there, but I'm really happy with how it's operating. So if you look down in here, this is the level of the water. So I have it almost at the top of the pipe here. That's where the air is supposed to be, here at the top of the pipe, to suck down, and then gravity flows downward. And I left a little tiny bit of space in between there for the water to flow with some air. So I didn't want that to be completely full. So the water level is a little bit higher than I actually wanted, but it's really good because of how this is all operating, and it's taking those solids beautifully from the bottom. You can see all of the nasty solids coming out of the pipe, and that's exactly what's supposed to happen. So I expect within a few days that this water will clear up. It won't be so green, and then we're going to add some UV filtration later in the future and add it to the same tank. So then we can also have some UV filtration that will take out the green coloration in the water. The clarity of the water and the amount of dissolved solids is going to be helped quite a bit from this mechanical filtration that I have going on here, and also the biological that's down in the bottom. And then if we partner that with UV, it's going to be really, really clear, really healthy, and these fish are going to be in a lot better situation. So we'll control the ammonia levels. We will control the amount of food waste that goes down to the bottom. There's several good situations with this. So I'm going to go ahead and put the cap back on the top of here so you guys can see how cool it looks with the lid on. So it covers everything up real nicely, and there we have it. So now you can't see anything. It looks really nice and clean, and the only thing that you can really tell that it has is the cord that goes in to plug for the pump. So everything is looking great. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something, and you are the change. You are sustainability. And if you like my videos, subscribe and like them, and share them with your friends. And if you want notifications, go ahead and click the bell icon so you can get notifications about future videos. You have a great day.